So where are we? Fisherman's Wharf, Monterey. We see like the boats over there. And then yeah, we're almost there, guys. Fisherman's Wharf's on the right. Oh, right there. Make a park somewhere.
Sorry, flashes on,
We're at a stoplight.
Mr. Exit.
Yeah, sorry. My bad. Why does it look like that? Down. Turn that fucking shit down. We yeah, Mr. Stop our exit because I was looking at the when we went through the bridge thing, tunnel actually when we went through the tunnel, and I got sidetracked, so I had to do a whole like another U-turn and another U-turn and another turn and another turn, and guess what? Another turn.
Yeah. A lot of turns.
Alright, y'all, man, Fisherman's Wharf.
We made it after traffic.
Traffic and honking. We're walking now. You probably see Mr. Krabs or Patrick over the honors. Over yonder, we're gonna walk to the... Wow! I'm gonna have this my boat right here. Y'all don't know it. Feels nice over here. I want to see a freaking crab. Yeah.
Old Fisherman's Grotto.
Oh yeah, this is our view right now. Got a little candle. Okay. Let's look at there. Real quick. We have made it to what's it called? Domenidos. Oh, it's right here. Domenidos on the wharf.
So we got off the other restaurant.
Oh yeah. Cut to that other clip that we was about to show.
Old Fisherman's Grotto.
So it's a little bit pricey, and it's all seafood. He doesn't like seafood, and so we just left. And then now we're here. Okay, this one. I'm gonna try to because I want to try it. He's gonna try it.
Taste testing one. Flavors melt to my tongue. Alright, first bite. Ooh. That shit is piping hot. What do you think? No worries, that's how it is. That's okay. Door. Right now we made it to the monterey. You can see the ocean. Oh. Those ducks. Oh, cute. How many people are surfing right now? Oh, you hear that? I know, I'm almost freaking eating right now. Are they scaring you?
You'll probably get a sandy.
I know. Oh, shit about another sweater, man. What the hell?
We took off our socks. No, we were over there.
The fisher was? We could have walked. I'm trying to walk through this thing. Oh, we have made it to the beach, to our spot. We got like a little, our blankets. You know, TikTok showed me this. Got another one over there, cause yeah, we got some papitas. Sorry. Got some frutas, and we got some strawberries. We got some what are they called?
Watermelon skis.
Watermelons. I got some watermelons. We got some.
Go fishing?
The snack that smells like goldfish. Got some goldfishes.
There's some popcorn, some white chedion, and then our water. Oh, it's freaking worked out.
Yeah, this is our snacks. I'm enjoying the view. Can you hear the water and the waves? There's a surfer over there. Thinks there's a surfer over there. Alright, now we're leaving. It's getting cold. We're tired. Freezing. All the freaking pelicans and seagulls and whatnot. Someone's driving over there. Don't worry about that one. Yeah, came to Dollar Tree because we wanted to get a jar because we got sand from the beach and we had I found little seashells, he found one, I found one, we both found them, and we're gonna put it in our memory box.
Yeah.
Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. There's Spider-Man stuff in there. Alright, little update. We well, a long awaited update. We got these at the Dollar Tree, and then we have like the little shells that we got. Then we put them in here, and then I have these ones. I have this one, and then he got me this one. It's so cute. Cute. Wow. So pretty. This is 17,000 billion years old. Okay. This is the sad part. I always with my lip.
That bumpin' being hypnotized.